Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here's a sample answer for the IELTS speaking cue card. Describe a course that you want to learn. You should say, what is this course? When do you want to learn it? Where can you learn it? And explain why you want to learn it. Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Sample answer. I would like to talk about a course that I am really interested in learning, and that is a course on data science. Over the past few years, I've developed a deep interest in how data is transforming the world we live in. With the growing influence of technology, I've noticed that data science has become a crucial part of decision-making processes in various fields, including business, healthcare, and even politics. Given the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data, I feel that data science is not only a highly relevant field today, but it is also one that will continue to play a major role in shaping the future. The main reason I want to study data science is because of its practical and diverse applications. Data science is essentially about using algorithms, statistical models, and programming to analyze vast amounts of data to uncover patterns and make informed predictions. I find this both fascinating and incredibly powerful because data science is already influencing so many industries. For instance, in healthcare, data scientists are helping to analyze patient data to identify trends and improve treatments. In business, data is used to understand consumer behavior and enhance marketing strategies. The potential to use data to solve complex problems in areas like climate change, education, and urban planning is something I am deeply passionate about. I've already done some basic research about courses in this field, and I'm particularly interested in taking an online course that covers topics like Python programming, machine learning, data visualization, and statistical analysis. Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in data science, and I think it's essential for anyone entering the field to be proficient in it. I would also like to learn about machine learning techniques, which allow computers to make decisions based on data without being explicitly programmed. Data visualization is another topic that excites me, as it involves creating graphs, charts, and other visual representations of data to make complex information easier to understand. I feel that mastering these skills will give me the technical foundation I need to analyze and interpret data in meaningful ways. One of the aspects of data science that attracts me is its potential to drive social change. While data science is often associated with business and profit, it also has tremendous potential for positive impact in society. For example, data scientists are currently working on projects to predict the spread of diseases, track environmental changes, and optimize resource allocation in developing countries. I am particularly interested in the idea of using data science for social good, such as developing algorithms that can improve access to education or contribute to better public health outcomes. This makes the field not only intellectually stimulating but also highly rewarding. Another reason I want to study data science is that it's a constantly evolving field. New techniques, tools, and technologies are emerging all the time, and I enjoy the idea of continuously learning and adapting to these changes. I know that a career in data science will never be boring, because there will always be new challenges to solve and new ways to improve my skill set. The idea of staying at the cutting edge of technology excites me, and I am eager to learn how to apply these advancements in real-world scenarios. In the end, I must say, that learning data science is something I am truly passionate about, and I believe that it will open up many exciting opportunities for me. Whether I decide to work in the tech industry, for a non-profit organization, or even in government, the skills I would gain from this course will be invaluable. Not only will I be able to contribute to the field of data science itself, but I also hope to use it to make a positive impact on society. I'm looking forward to starting this course in the near future, and I'm confident that it will provide me with the knowledge and skills I need to succeed in this dynamic and rapidly growing field. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video.